Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing fine. I'm sorry for the inconvenience that occurred these 2 days. You had a problem viewing the recorded lectures, but I hope this problem is solved now. I will be sending the links on my YouTube channel. It's easier for you to see the video there. And please make sure to answer all the questions that I ask you and send them to me on the discussion group that I opened on Classera. So to make a quick revision, we were talking yesterday about the definition of erosion and deposition. So let me ask you about the definition of erosion. Okay, great. I'm sure that most of you answered that erosion is the process by which the materials that were weathered away move from a place into another. That's right, excellent. I'm really proud of you. And now, can anyone tell me about the definition of the word deposition? Great job. I'm pretty sure that also most of you answered what is deposition. So deposition is the process by which these moved materials that moved due to erosion settle down in a certain place, whether it's on land or in a river or in an ocean. Excellent, great job. We talked that we have two types of erosion and deposition. One that is caused by water, and we talked about this the last lecture, so let us make a quick revision. It was due to river, like for example, a fast river that is flowing may pick up and carry sediments such as rock, soil, and sand from a place to another. Rain can do this. Waves of the sea along the coastlines can also cause erosion and deposition, as well as glaciers, which is the um, ice water. Okay, now as we did a quick revision about the first type of erosion and deposition, which is water, we are going to talk about the second type of erosion and deposition caused by wind. So wind erosion, as the name says, it's caused by wind. So remember when we were talking about the pollination in plants, didn't we mention that wind has a very important role in moving the pollen from one flower to another? It's the same here. Wind has an important role here where it causes the blowing of dust, soil, or sand, or from one place to another. Now, when we said in the previously in the water, we noticed that water can move sediments such as rock, sand, dust, soil from one place to another. When I said wind erosion, I said dust, soil, or sand only. I didn't say rock. Can anyone tell me the answer? Why do you think this happened? I would ask you please to pause the video and think about it, and I'm sure that you will know the answer. Once you guess the answer, type it in the discussion group, please. Okay, so when sand and dust blow against a rock, tiny bits of the rock might break off. These bits are immediately blown away. Wind erosion also changes sand dunes and fields. The sand dunes, well, sand dunes are large, loose deposits of sand. The size and the shape of the sand dune depends on the speed and the direction that the winds are blowing. The stronger the wind, the farther sand particles can move. So this is logical. So when the wind is strong, the sand particles or the moving materials will move farther. Uh, I want you please to stop the video and answer question 5 either on your book and take a picture on your answer and send it to me, or you can send the answer directly on the discussion group that I opened by writing please page 240 question 5. Okay? To move on, fields um, actually wind erosion can be a serious problem on farms because the wind can blow the topsoil of the fields.